Hello Stamper, welcome to Frenchie's video. I'm Frances Martin, independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up, and today I'm going to share with you how to do a simple bridge card. See? And this is attached, so you're thinking, well, this is going to go in an envelope. Simple. Boom. And it fit in our regular size envelope. So the card itself look a little bit smaller when it's stand up. Oops, let me put any glue on the side all the way there. So here we go. And it fit in an envelope, don't need extra postage neither. Well, that is, except if you would put pearls and so on, then that can change the, et voila. Oops, off camera. So let me share with you how to do this. I'm using Share What You Love, the designer series paper. That's the paper that I'm using, and all the supplies going to be listed on my blog and also the measurement. So first thing you want to start with, it's a piece of cardstock that measure 8 by 4 1/4, and we will score this at we're going to score it at 1 1/4. Oh, keep your paper straight, friends. 1 1/4, 2 1/2, 3 1/2. No. 6 3/4, and then I think it's 5 1/2. Yeah, 5 1/2. Here we go. So it is 1 1/4, 2 1/2, 5 1/2, and 6 3/4. Let me flip that, make sure. Yes. So again, all measurement and all supplies will be listed on my blog. Now that you get this, we're gonna reinforce the score. So down and up. And again, down and up. So see, when it's score, it look very small, right? But that's what we need to fit in a regular size envelope. I cut my designer series paper, these strip here, so you're going to need 4 of the same size. I need some glue here, that measure 1 by 4. Oh, this is empty. Is it 1 or 1 1/4? It's 1. 1 by 4. So we're gonna mount that here. Et voila. So we're gonna do all 4. Oh my goodness, another empty one. Here we go. Happen to the best. And right here. And the other 2. One thing that I want to point out, if you want to write something inside the card, I would suggest that you do that before you finish the assemble. And I'm going to share with you the reason behind this. So you see this? It would be hard to write in. So before you do the centerpiece, I would write in. Another way, because that's very nice display without any writing in the back. Excuse me. You can write in the back. You can always add another piece of vanilla cardstock here. This one's going to be 1. This white. This one is vanilla. So that is optional. So it's up to you. So if you're wondering how you would write there, I would do it now. So on this piece here at the top, I'm using the stamp set Botanical Bliss, and also for the little tag here, that's the Botanical Tags. So that's the one that we're using. I'm using the leaves here. So this one we're going to stamp with Old Olive. The other one was Mossy Meadow because I went with those colors. So let's stamp just the top here. Et voila. And while I got that, I got a piece of white paper here, the strip that go at the front, that measure 1 inch wide by 5 1.25. First, we're going to stamp the halo. The halo comes with the label little box. It got the punch and the stamp set. I absolutely love this halo. So I'm going to use a lot of that stamp set because I absolutely love this. Now I match the end, never mind this end here. I just go right at the edge of my halo and then I stamp my leaf. Voila! So that is it for the stamping. See how simple this was? Let me remove that scrap paper now. Now we're going to attach the center, and again, if you want to write something, now would be the time. And the main reason it would be difficult to write when it's all add on. Now we're going to add the piece of white on the rich raspberry. Oh, that seemed too long. No, it's right. This one, the rich raspberry, it is 1.25 by 5.5. Now, I decide about where I want it. The first flap, don't open it up this way. Close it this way, decide about where you want it. I'm going to put my adhesive there. I'm going to put this right at the edge, right here. So now I know it's just glue on this flap. Now I want to glue the other part here. I just lift this up, see about where it goes. Here we go. So then I don't want to put my adhesive in the back of this because you really don't want to pass the score line here. Now keep this flat. So this one it's up, those one are flat, the two are flat. Now bring this down. Voila. Now, ta-da! Is that an easy bridge card or what? Now for my center, I wanted to have a pop-up. I'm like, that is perfect for a pop-up. Like I said, botanical tag. So the tag just cut the front. So you can have a big strip and have the tag at the top there. So I just going to cut here. And that don't show. It's going to go in the back. This one, it's all olive. I wanted to bring the green in this designer series paper. It's from the same pack. But this one, it's a Massimero. This one, it's all olive. So I didn't want my bird to be green. I just didn't want that. I cut another just partial out of scrap paper here, and this was the tag, the framelit, pinlets. And then I'm going to snip my bird out of this, and then snip the other bird out of this. And what I done, I used Tombow glue. Yes, this is the fine tip bottle, but it is Tombow glue. I'm going to put that right here. And, oh, that's not that one. Right over here. Voila. And, oops, I went on my table here. A little bit of glue won't hurt, right? And put that right here. And just to define the bird a little bit, I use, oh, that's not it. That's too big. Where's my, here we go. Gonna put a little dot there and a little dot there. So now they get their eyes. Now what you want to, oops, this is delicate here. You want to put glue just at the bottom here. Now, I kept this open this way to see about where my center is. And after I said, okay, that looked pretty good, then I bring it down and press it. Et voila! See? Now you get your bridge card. Very, very simple. Both of it, it's from the same pack of paper, just different print. And again, all supplies list, all measurement, all score, and so on will be on my blog. Below in the description, you get the link or above in the eye. And you can shop 24/7 if you're in the US right there. Thank you so much for your support and have a lovely day. Bye-bye for now.